Okay, you guys, here's the gear set broken down. Just wanted to point out a few things. So right there is a damaged surface of your clutch assembly. So you can tell the clutch got stuck in here pretty deep. I mean, here's a line, you got a couple lines down here, which is extremely roughed up. Definitely catches the fingernail. So we're gonna have to get this guy a whole new gear set. The upper gear doesn't look too bad on the clutch surface. If you can tell right here, see that clutch where it's glazed right there? That is definitely a burnt clutch. The upper on the reverse part doesn't look too well. I mean, you can tell it's got some damages to it right there. So you guys, we will be getting a new gear set, and then we'll be getting a video on the put together on that. So yeah, stay tuned.